Sawadee Welcome to Tiger in the Kitchen. Today we are making this lovely spicy barbecue dipping sauce, Nam Jim Jaew. Are you a barbecue lover? If you are, hit the thumbs up and let us know in the comment. Nam Jim in Thai actually means dipping sauce and Jaew is the name of the dipping sauce. I think this needs to be mentioned a little bit because I have a few foreign friends asking when they search for the word Nam Jim, and there's quite many of them and it can be confusing for those who are not super familiar with it. There are Nam Jim Jaew, Nam Jim Seafood, Nam Jim Boy, Nam Jim Kai, Nam Jim this, Nam Jim that, la 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 la, so many Nam Jim, so many dipping sauces. You see different Thai dipping sauce name includes the word Nam Jim, which some people might think is the actual sauce name itself. So if you want to search for specific Thai dipping sauce recipes, make sure you get the name after the word Nam Jim so you hit the right one that you want to make. In this video, I'm going to show you two versions of how to make this dipping sauce. One is the tamarind version, and the other one is for those who can't get the tamarind, so we'll only use limes. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. For the tamarind version, we'll need the tamarind paste. If yours comes as a chunk like this, soak in the warm water, let it sit for a while, remove the seeds, then here we have the paste. Limes, shallots, palm sugar, chili powder, fish sauce, cilantro, and spring onion. Then we'll need Khao Khua or ground toasted rice, the great aroma for this dipping sauce, and it's very easy to make. Let's have a look. On a medium heat pan, use glutinous rice or just white rice if you don't have glutinous rice. Can use only 1 tablespoon or can be more, depends on how much you need. Best to make it fresh per each cooking though. Now you're gonna keep it moving until golden brown and fragrant. After it turns golden brown, you can grind in a mortar or any grinder you have. And if you make a lot, can keep in a lid container for a week. Longer than a week, yeah, still can use, but the fragrance will be weak. Ingredients for the lime version, almost the same, just minus the tamarind, and you can replace palm sugar with granulated sugar if needed. Peel and slice the shallots thinly. The amount is up to you. You like more, you add more. You like less, then add less. I usually use 2 shallots per 1 bowl of dipping sauce. Can use red onion as well if you don't have shallots. A little bit of both cilantro and spring onion. Palm sugar, shaved thinly, enough for 1 tablespoon. And here's how to make the tamarind version. 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste. Put 1 tablespoon palm sugar. Around 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Stir until the palm sugar melts. 3 tablespoons fish sauce, chili powder as much as you want, a little bit of sliced shallots, chopped cilantro and spring onion. Ground toasted rice we'll add later. Let's see how to make the lime version first. So 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, stir until the sugar melts. 3 tablespoons fish sauce, chili powder as much as you want, a little bit of the shallots, cilantro, and spring onion. Taste and adjust to what you like. Tamarind and fish sauce from different sources can have different level of saltiness and sourness. You can adjust to your preference, and for ground toasted rice, I'll add just right before serving because it will absorb the sauce when being added for a while. These two versions taste slightly different in terms of the sharpness of the flavors. The lime version has the sharper sourness, while the tamarind version tastes a little more mellow. Both are awesome. Now get your barbecue ready. Like I mentioned, right before serving, we add the ground toasted rice. Look at this, being served with the lovely barbecue, rice vermicelli, and fresh vegetables. If you think this recipe looks great, consider leaving this video a thumbs up, and I hope you'll give it a try and will love it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like Thai cooking, subscribe and check out for more recipes from the channel. And I'll see you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ